Hey guys, it's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com, and I just wanted to give a quick market update here. Closing bell was just about 10 minutes ago, and I wanted to go over what we did today. So yesterday we ended up picking up a FedEx call in our trade challenge account here, and we picked that up yesterday pretty early once we saw that bounce off of support. We picked that up. We closed that out for nearly a 50% gain this morning. That was the first trade we sent out. We closed out our FedEx trade during the highs this morning. Here's a today 1 minute. And during that first, 15, 20 minutes, we closed it out right around 249 a share. We closed that out, and it was a great time because the market did nothing but pull back then. And then another one we did this morning, we jumped into two UPS trades. UPS was obviously upgraded this morning to 180 a share. We jumped in early this morning as that started to take off there. We had a trade challenge trade on that. We closed that out for a nice return. What did we close that trade challenge trade up for? Do you remember? I think it was like a 13% gain. It was a quick like $200 profit on the trade challenge. So we made a quick $500 profit in the first 15, 20 minutes of the day on FedEx and UPS. We made a second trade on UPS for next week's, actually October 16th monthly expo. And that one is looking great as well. I love UPS, especially with it being a holiday cyclical trend trade. A lot of people are doing online shopping, and FedEx and UPS are going to be killing it. They just both got upgrades, and they raised their target prices on UPS and FedEx. So we made two great trades. We locked in profits on FedEx and UPS. And then in the afternoon session, we saw the market start to break down, and we ended up jumping into some SPY puts. Those SPY puts are now up over 60% here since we jumped in. We made 3 trades today, and the 3 trades all made us some nice profits. So we're doing well, looking good. I look forward to seeing what the market does tomorrow. And those of you that are members, we have class tonight at 5 p.m. So that's going to be starting in about 45 minutes. And heck of a day, guys. Glad to be back. Glad to see you guys in the trade room. Glad to see you guys live on Zoom with us. And we are kicking some butt with these trades. So great job today, guys. Really looking forward to tomorrow, and hope to see you in tonight's class. Take care, guys. Let me go over SPY quick here. So 3-month daily on SPY. Look at the size of this red candle here. We're in breakdown momentum. In last week's class for our advanced traders, our elite yearly members, we were talking about if we broke below this level here of 333 on SPY on a daily chart, that we were going to further pull back down to support. We have support number 1, 320, a little bit at 310, and then we have some major support at 300 here. Okay, so the size of this candle, it looks like we're going to be seeing some more selling pressure come in. We got some red bars here on our histogram on our MACD. Our MACD, we got a big spread between the MACD and our signal line, and we are continuing to pull back here in the markets ahead of the general election here. So with that being said, we're holding on to our SPY puts for next week's expo, and I'm really looking forward to the trade day tomorrow, guys. We are following our trade plan, and we are profiting along the way, and that's what's important. Great lessons and classes throughout the day today in our live trading session. A lot of great comments and a lot of great things happening here. Let me see if I could pull this up here. Let's see. I asked the members in the trade room here in the afternoon, we were doing some classes here, and they were talking about, you know, great teacher, A+, 10 out of 10, you know, #1 in their books, you know. I guess I got rated on Rate My Professor, 10 out of 10. Steve said I had a gift for teaching, an incredible teacher, Dave. So glad we found this group. Mr. Dave Galloway says you have a gift, my friend. And they love the classes and the training. So love it. And I will be seeing you guys in class at 5 p.m. and again tomorrow morning. So great job today trading, guys. You know, the markets were up this morning. We made profits on the upside with FedEx and UPS. And then as the markets pulled back, we picked up those SPY puts and started profiting on the downside of the market. So great job today. Look forward to seeing you in class tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Take care. God bless and stay safe, guys. Bye-bye. Have a great night.